Hey there! Ever heard that moment where you plug in your USB, hear the connection sound, but nothing shows up in your drive section? Annoying, right? Don't worry. In this video, I will walk you through quick and easy steps to get that USB working again. Let's jump in. First of all, you can see here there is no USB pen drive, and I just plug in, but still it's not appearing. So, what we are going to do here, right? Click on this PC, and then jump into the Manage settings. Once you are here, you will see here the storage, and underneath you will see disk management, where you can actually set the path or destination or even alphabets. So right-click on there and find your removable disk, and then right-click Change Drive, Letters and Paths. And now simply you need to choose the alphabet sign in a letter for your removable disk drive. And make sure choose that the specific driver that's not available before for any other drivers like CE is already available. So we will go with something different. In case we will choose H, and then click on OK, and it will pop up. And that's it. That's the simplest way, guys, to fix any drive that is not popping up in the driver sections. Hope this guide helped you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos. Have a good day. Bye-bye.